Hello everyone, so I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to scrape this website. So as you can see, there are many universities available, around 800, and some of them are unranked. This is ranking, this is the university name, and this is the town. I think the university is situated in this town. Okay, so we are going to scrape them all and we are going to take these information. Let me show it to you. We're going to take the logo URL, the university name, overview, country rank and world rank. And if we scroll down, we are also going to take this thing: founded, university address, telephone, and then yearly tuition range for only local students, undergrad and postgrad, and then student enrollment and academic calendar, academic stuff. That's all. Okay, so let's get started, and we are going to use Python for doing so. First, let's import the libraries. Okay, first we will take the university name and its URL. Okay, so as we can see, they are all in A tag. So let us do these things. Let us take all the A tags that contains reviews, right? This section as its href. So I think this will help us to take only the university URLs, right? Because as you can see, other URLs are different, but all the university URLs has reviews in it, right? Reviews. And first let us see the status code. Great, we are getting 200. Okay, now let us use su xml and all A tags. Now we are fetching all the A tags, right? Now we have all the A tags here, but our target is not getting all the A tags only. Our target is to get only those tags that contain reviews at the href attribute, right? So let us do it in a loop for a in href. Okay, so if reviews in href okay, university URL dot fn a href sorry. Okay, so what we have done here, we are taking all the A tags that contains reviews in its href section, and we are appending not only the URL but also the university name, right? Because university name is also in the A tag. As we can see, it's in the text section. And now if we run the code, then let us see our list. So the first one is not required, A to Z list of university. Okay, from the second one, I think we are getting our required results. Looking nice till now, it's looking nice, but let us format the URL section, right? So if we open one university, no, close. So we have this in the URL section at the top. So let us append like this. Okay, now we will have proper URL. Yes, it's working fine. Okay, but we need from 1, right? The first one, as you already have seen, the first one is not required, A to Z list of all universities, right? We only need the university list. So we are taking from 1 to all, and we are appending it for university URL. Okay, what we have done here, we have fetched university URL plus university name. Okay, the first section is done. Let us lock it here. Okay, after this section, our work is to open each of these universities and fetch the data points described before, right? Okay, first let us check how many results we have. How many universities we have? 1763. Okay. Okay, so first let us now we are going to fetch results from each page. URL is going to, we are going to work with only one university, right? So we are university 1, the first one. Then later we are going to work with the paginations thing, but now we are going to just take the first university and work with that. So the university URL is going to be the first one, right? This is the university URL which is in the 0 index, and the second one is the university name. Okay, university name is in the second index, and the first one is university URL. Now let us take it, let us take the response, sorry, and again sort the results. Okay, I think we have got all the results here, information here. Now we are going to find each elements one by one and give it a suitable name. That's all. The first one is the logo, right? And the interesting thing is the logo also contains the university website. Here we can see it. Okay, the first thing is the XPath of the logo is given here, right? So using this we are going to find this element. The XPath is this. Okay, so soap.find, it's in the image tag, and the attribute is this item pro, and the value logo. Okay, this one, this attribute contains the logo path, right? So first let us see one thing. Okay, so we have to add the university domain with it. Let's remove this one. Okay, so this one is the path of the logo. Let us give it a suitable variable name. Done. So we have found the logo. Now let us move forward. We do not need the university name because we already have collected this one. And now the most interesting thing is, if we can get this one, this href, then we will get the university website. And if we try to find this item using the XPath, we can see that there are total 3 results, 1, 2 and 3. And the interesting thing is each one of these have the href, right, have the website URL. So let us take this one. Okay, first I am going to copy and paste the expert. This helps me to write or find the element using soup.find. Okay, I am only taking the first one, right? I'm only taking the first one. I'm not taking others. So let's take the href. Now we have university website. Okay, let's place it here and let's remove the XPath of it. Now let us take this one, country rank. It's in an A tag, right? But it's in an A tag, and this A tag is in a TD tag, and our required thing is in the next TD tag, right? Okay, so first we have to find this A tag, then we will go to this TD tag because it's its parents, right? And then I think it's the next sibling. We are going to find the next sibling after that, and the text of the next sibling is going to our required rank. And how we are going to find this A tag? We are going to find this A tag using this text. Okay, let us make it a bit simple. First we are going to take all the A tags, then we are going to check if country rank text is in this A tag or not. If we find this tag, then we are going to break. Okay, let us do like this. So we are going to find all the A tags, right? All A tags. It's actually like before, for A in all A tags. If country rank in A dot text, break. So in this way we have found our required A tag, right? But we are interested with its parents, and find next sibling, which is TD dot text. Great. Now we have the country rank. Let us place this country rank here. First the country rank will be nothing, then after when the code runs this section, we are going to get our country rank. Okay, the same thing goes for the world rank section also, same code. Okay, we are going to find this world rank using its text, right? Same thing. Okay, let us close this one. We do not need this one also. World rank, we have taken it, place it. Let us change world rank. Okay, the country rank is 1, world rank is also 1. Let us do both of these things in this section. First, country rank not equal to, okay, if country rank is blank, only then this code will work, right? That's it. And elif and if, and world rank, same thing goes for it. Okay, now let us check if we are in the right path or not. No. For both cases we are considering using Ajax and country rank not equal to, no, sorry, it should be equal to. Okay, so we have taken the country rank and world rank here. I think you have understood the algorithm used. Let us move forward. Now we are going to take university overview. it's, as we can see, it's in the item prop description, this tag. So let us okay, so there are only one item prop with description as its value, right? So here if we fetch this element, then we can get the description or university overview. So let's take it. Soup.find p prop description dot text. Let us check the description first. Very good, it's working. We also have taken the description. Now if we come below, now we're interested in this section, founded 1861. Okay, if we inspect the element, as we can see, wow, very nice, founding date. So we can easily get this one as from this span tag, which has item prop as founding date, right? Let's write this one. So dot find span tag great. So we have also fetched the founding year of this university. Now I think this address one is remaining. Okay, it's in a table, right? Okay, the table header th is address and its sibling contains the address. But we can do another thing. We can take like this. First, as we can see, each span tag contains different item prop: street address, address locality, postal code, address region. Okay, I think this way is more prettier. We are going to take all of these different, and then after taking these things, we are going to merge them. Yes, let us do it. Span item prop street address, right? So dot find span we have this street address. Okay, what else we need? Address locality. Okay, let us take the address locality, then postal code, and then address region. Okay, so we locality, postal code, region, and the first one is street. Now full address equal to street plus, I think a comma will do nice. Locality, postal code, and the last one is region. Let us see how the address is. Let us do this thing. Yeah, now it's looking good. Okay, so we have got the full address. Let me place it here so that we have everything in order. Now we are interested in the telephone. The item prop is also telephone. Let's soup it. don't want to use this strip command, because if for one university this telephone section is blank, then it's going to give a error. And we are not still till now we haven't done anything to handle these error, right? Okay, now let us move down. We are interested in this section. Okay, so first we will find out this element, h2 element. It's an h2 element using text. Then we will go to its parents element, which is div class panel heading, and then we will go to its parent element. Sorry. I think this will help us to do so. Soup.find h2. I think we can find text, right? Like this. Oh, right, great. The parent, and we have to go another step up. Okay, now we are in this section, right? Panel default. I think you can see this. Okay, so now from there, from this parent, we are going to jump in this section, table class with table text center. Dot find table class. So we are here now. We are in this table now. Now from here, first we are only interested in this local students information, right? Okay, let us required table. I'm doing this to make it a little bit shorter and clearer. Okay, in this table we are only interested in this section. Okay, it's in a TD tag, and the TD tags are in a tier tag, right? So how to access? It's in T body. Okay, we are in the T body now. We are going to take the first tier tag, right? Okay, so let us take strong and dot text. Okay, so let us do like this. Let us split the text and then take the first one, over 20,000. I think we should add this also at the end, right? I think it's looking okay. So we have the cost for the undergrad student, over 20,000 US. Nice. After this, we're also interested in this section, the cost for postgraduate students. So how to take that? Okay, I think till this point everything is the same. Now we have to take the second one, dot find the rest is the same. Okay, post we have gathered the yearly tuition fee range for undergraduate and postgraduate student. Now if we scroll down, we are also interested in this section, student enrollment. Okay, so it's in an EM class, right? em tag and class is this one. So let us take this. So define em class. Okay, it's in the next section. Dot find next sibling, and I think the sibling is in strong tag. Great. So student enrollment. We have got this section also. We are also interested in this academic stuff section, so I think this thing is the same. It's in I class, and okay, the same code, just a little changes are required. Okay, this first changes is the class name, and it's academic stuff. Oh sorry, okay, it's in I tag. Okay, we have the academic stuff. Let us check the academic calendar instead. Okay, I think the code is the same, and we have to change the class of it, and it's academic calendar. Done. We have taken a lot of information here, so all data settings will go now. So let us create a dictionary, all information, right? The dictionary is going to take the soup value only, and it will fetch all these information, and then it will return us with these things, logo path, and then university website, right? Website, then country rank, world rank, then a description, then founding year, after street, no, we are going to take only the full address. Telephone, after telephone we have taken undergrad student cost, then postgrad student cost, then student enrollment, academic stuff, and the last one is academic calendar. Okay, so let us check if this function is working or not. Okay, all the information are here. Looks clean. So now looks clean. One thing we can do is we can remove this plus sign from this telephone section, because when we are going to view it in Excel, it's going to show us something different. Okay, now if we run it, looks good. Okay, so our function is ready. This function is responsible to fetch all the information, all the elements that is required. Function is ready. Okay, now let us let us go to each university and take this information. So we have to run a loop, right? We have to run a loop. We also have a little thing to do for university info in university URL. Okay, I think university URL looks like this one. Okay, the first thing is university info, and we have to change also this one. Okay, then we are going to request the URL. We have to take the response, then we have to soup the results. After that, using the function, we have to fetch all the required information. After fetching all required information, after fetching the required information, oh, we have forgotten to add the university URL and university name, right? Okay, so let us make another thing. Dot append. The first one that we have to append is the university name, right? The second thing is university URL, and after that we have to add this one also. We have to do like this. I think it's going to work. Let me see. First let me clean it out a little bit from each university page. Finger crossed. Let me see. I think I should have given a print statement, right? Sorry. Okay, so let me give a print statement here so that we know it's working fine. The first print statement is going to be the university name with something, university name with its country rank. University name and its country rank. Okay, now let us speed up the process a little bit by using request session. We have to change this one. Okay, everything's looking good. Now let's go. As you can see, it's opening one by one university level URL and it's fetching the results. We have one more step to do. That step is to get the output of this information. It's going to take a lot of time to fetch all the 1700 URLs, right? So I'm going to stop it here. I think we already have some records. Okay, now let us do the output. I think you already have understood the thing that we have done here. Now we are going to do the output. So for the outputs we are going to use pandas. Let us create a data frame with the records. Okay, we have to define the columns as well. It's going to take some time, so let me do some shortcuts. Okay, let me do some shortcuts here. Okay, the only two things remaining is university name and university URL. Okay, all columns is equal to this information. Okay, now let us see the data frame. Nice. As you can see, we have got around 80 results till now, because because you already have witnessed, I have closed the code and the data frame looks like this. Now let us output this data frame. University information dot csv. We are going to remove the index and encoding is going to be UTF-8. That's it. Great. Now let us see the Excel file with all these information. Looks nice. We have got all the information that we are looking for from this website: university name, URL, logo, and rankings, and so on, telephone number, everything. Looks very clean, right? So I think using this code you are going to be able to scrape all the other information, all the information for all other universities. That is what I was trying to say. Output. Okay, so this is all from me. Thank you.